Alrighty, everybody, good evening time. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Please take time to join our membership. Sure, we'd love to have you. Check out our merch store. Alrighty, guys, we got a Stryker SR-447HPC2. And we got this rebuilt by Donkey Stomper Super 400 HGC pill. This is that used one I sold the other day. The complaint was it was hanging up on him. It does have 43 Faraday in it. I don't usually use that, but I retuned it and everything, test. I believe I got you good to go. Made a video a while ago, and the SWR is a little higher on the radio than I like, so I went in and tuned the box a little bit more and got it down. All right, you can run a variable on this anywhere you want to, wide open to nothing. 5.8 carrier.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Working with a little Stryker, getting on down. Little Stryker drive.
All right, so I'd probably run it, you can run about halfway, but if you run it wide open, it's not a thing, it'll hold it. I'm gonna do it wide open. Turn on the Donkey Stomper, a rebuilt Donkey Stomper. Actually, this was a 3-made box, it's a good box. It just, sometimes when all the stars align just right, HD ain't stupid, very rare, but once in a while. All right. We're going to turn the mic gain down. Here's your dead key variable wide open. 150. So we'll turn the variable halfway. Dead key halfway. There'll be in the C's that'll hold 150, so you're good to go, man. I retuned this whole box, input and output. I did put a new resistor in there where it hung up and burnt the resistor on it. It seems to be everything's okay, man. Hopefully you won't have no more trouble. I'll put it on the antenna too. All right, I'm gonna turn the mic gain back up. Variable wide open.
Hello,
Oh, got my talk back too loud.
Hello, working this little full peel on motor runs, working on a full peel, full peel. Get on down, 1, 2.
5 on reverse.
Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Half hop back.
2500 watt PEP.
Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. On the birdie. 750 some change.
So
she's good to go, man. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, this is what we done. See your SWR now? It was showing up to 2 a while ago. I didn't like that. So we fixed that. They're all matched up, ready to go. Get on down.
all right, just for kicks, we're gonna put it on stereo. On the stereo. It ain't about 15 foot off the ground. 1,000 watt. PP.
Hello, worldwide. 700 some change. How about a radio check? Getting on down. Anybody got a copy on Tennessee? Break. What is a little 757 you still out there? Worldwide in the world of sound, get on down.
That's on the stereo.
One, two. Hello, come in. Worldwide.
So curiosity is a reflex.
Hello, 1, 2. Almost no reflex.
Stereo's good if you don't run much power. They don't like much more than 4 or 6 pill though.
There's your stereo average. Hello, 1, 2, over 200. Working this little full peel. Get on down.
I ain't really got no conditions on something. What's up?
They thought I was on the base. They honestly thought I was on the base station. I said, hell no, I'm driving down the road.
Hey, Mud Flap, you got a copy?
He's about 40 miles away. 50.
How about it, Mud Flap? We're trying, break.
His neighbor's talking.
Hey, Mud Flap, you got a copy?
His neighbor's talking, you can't hear him, so as long as his neighbor's talking, you can't kill him.
Mud Flap?
Poured out of it.
See?
I was getting, shit. my HP, I was getting right at, with a 4-peel, I was getting 1200 watts.
Hey, Mudflap, you got a copy, Mr. Mudflap, right. Mudflap, Bucket Mouse, quit talking to each other.
Hey, start quick on the key.
Anyway, we trying, break.
I was getting 1200 watts out of that HP here at the house on the antenna.
Hey, Bucket Mouse.
His little driver was doing almost 1500 watts.
He ain't as far as 707 was up anyway,
Bucket Mouse, Mudflap, break here. Shit.
50 watts per string system.
Break.
Okay, 4
Okay. He trying to talk to Buddy about into putting seeds in his box. But evidently they ain't gonna key long enough. We can't sit here all day. But man, she's all ready to go on the serial. It says serial's not very high. You should be good to go, man. You should be put this in there running however you want to. Run about halfway. Or run it wide open, I don't care. But halfway, be safer. Let her go. There's your Stryker HP. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please take time to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Please join our membership, guys. We'd like to have you over there in our membership, our YouTube membership, perks, giveaways, discounts, all that stuff. Heads up on what's going on, little tips ahead of everybody else, and all kinds of stuff. Great support over there. Check out our merch store. Hats, shirts, tumblers, dog bandanas, coffee mugs, you name it, it's over there. Alright guys, y'all take care. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.